Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another episode of Baba's Kitchen. I am Hussein Baba. Well, today, as usual, I have very good interesting dishes. It will not be me who's cooking today. I got somebody else, and this somebody else is very familiar because you have seen me cooking with him together in previous episode. Okay, I will come back to you very shortly after this message. Welcome back. So the person who will be doing the cooking today is a very familiar face as you have seen him before. All right, here he is. Assalamu alaikum, Chef Abu Radhid. How are you, brother?
Alhamdulillah.
Good to see you. It's been a while we cooked together. Huh?
Yeah, I'm too busy here.
You're too busy.
Yeah.
Well, he's doing a good job at the Masjid Canteen. As you can see from my previous episode, he cooked over 10 varieties and becoming very popular now. More and more people are coming to the canteen on Friday. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Good. Well done job. Okay.
Thank you, bro.
Thank you. Okay. All right. We have enough of chicken.
Yeah.
We have enough of lamb.
Yeah.
We have enough of beef.
Yeah.
What are we going to do today?
I'm too sick now in the meat, bro.
Okay. What are you going to cook today then?
This is popular in the Philippines.
In the Philippines,
but
okay.
You can see this one in the Chinese restaurant only.
Must be something seafood, isn't it?
Yeah, seafood.
Seafood. I love seafood.
Yeah.
You know, I love seafood.
Okay.
Now, what type of seafood?
Yeah. What?
What type of seafood?
Fish.
Fish. Okay. All right.
Especially white fish.
Oh, beautiful. So
Yeah.
what type of fish?
I buy butterfish.
Butterfish.
Yeah.
Where's the butterfish? This
Yeah,
one.
yeah.
Cameraman, come closer. Oh,
Okay.
look at that. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. This is called
Butterfish.
butterfish.
Yeah.
Why, is it a lot of butter taste inside?
Yeah, it's a rare fish in
You see,
Australia, bro.
I remember
Yeah.
in Hong Kong,
Yeah.
they use this butterfish, they steam it. Are you going to do the same thing?
Yeah, the same
okay, that's good. That's
Yeah.
all right. Now tell me, so you're going to steam it?
Okay.
So what are the ingredients you're going to use?
Okay, this is called steamed fish.
Yes.
In light soya sauce.
Light soy sauce.
Yeah.
So very simple ingredients.
Very simple
Let's go through the ingredients anyway.
Yeah.
Come on. Oh, here we have. Okay, what is this?
Okay, this is soya.
Soya sauce. Yes.
Water for become lighter.
Water. Yes.
Olive oil.
Olive oil. Sliced ginger.
And a sliced onion.
Onion leaf. Okay.
Okay,
And then what is this?
Crunchy garlic.
Hey, why this is empty?
I don't
Why
know.
it's empty?
I don't know, bro.
Now there must be something.
There's something that bro. I put that one here and then. it's
What is
missing.
it? What is it?
I think it's a secret, bro.
Secret.
Secret ingredients.
I want to know the secret.
Maybe inshallah, bro. After I told you what my secret is.
No, I can't wait. I want to know the secret.
Yeah,
I want to know
inshallah.
the secret. What is this?
Inshallah. It's a color red, bro. You like it, that one?
I like it.
Yeah.
Must be I like it.
Yeah.
All right. You know what I like?
Yeah.
I like spice.
I think so. It's that
The
one.
spice.
Yeah.
Let me have a look. Come on, let me have a look.
Okay. Big chili.
Big red chili. Big red chili. All right. Yes,
Yeah.
I like that. Good.
Yeah.
Wonderful. So we
Okay.
have a beautiful ingredient here. So, Chef Abu Radhid.
Yep.
So let's start cooking.
Okay.
Are you going to cut the fish?
No.
Just steam it?
steam it.
Okay. All
Okay.
right.
By the way, I have to tell you about the steamed fish.
Yes.
You can use any fish as long as a white fish.
White fish. Okay.
Yeah, you use pompano.
Yes.
Use cod.
Yes.
Use rock fish.
Yes.
Yeah, and use barramundi.
Barramundi too.
Yeah, red
Okay.
snapper.
Okay.
All white fish, bro.
As long as white.
As
Okay.
long as
All
white.
right. Okay.
Okay.
So now we got the fish here.
Okay.
Now let's see how it's going to steam. Okay.
Yeah.
Now this is really healthy. This is really fall in line with my motto NED: nutritious, easy, and delicious.
Yeah,
right.
I use olive oil.
Olive oil.
Only.
Good. All right. Okay. Now what we have here?
I already
Oh, you
put the water.
Okay, you got a steam pot here, all right?
Okay,
So-
start, bro.
Yes, please
Okay,
start.
I'll start.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And the fish.
Is steam first, bro.
So steaming, okay.
Yeah.
So remember, you need a steamer, okay? The steamer, you can get it from one of these Chinese shops.
Yeah.
You got a water on the base, and then you got to steam it. There's the water. Come and have a look. Show the water. Here. All right.
Yeah.
And then here, you cover it.
Yeah,
And
cover
clap the fish.
Yeah.
Now,
Not about 10 minutes, bro.
you leave for about 10 minutes. Okay.
But
And
this is very light.
of course, we don't want to overcook the fish.
Yeah.
All right. We want that sweet, nice meat, you know. All right.
Okay.
Okay. Now it's been 10 minutes since it's been steaming. Now, chef, we have to have a look at it.
Yeah.
Can we have a look at it? Okay. Come on, uncle. Wait a minute. Cameraman, please come over. Now have a look at it. Oh, look at that. Take a round. Okay, let me show you here. Okay, let me take. Okay, all right. Go to. Okay, beautiful.
Now,
Well, the chef going to transfer the fish from the wok or the pot to the plate. Okay, let's have a look. Come on.
Bismillah.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
It's a big.
That's heavy, bro. I can see that's heavy. Big fish. Big fish. Voila. Beautiful. All right.
I'm gonna.
Now you're going to make the sauce, isn't it?
Okay, bro.
Okay.
I have a small pot, bro.
Okay, small pot.
I
Okay.
put that one here.
Yes. You're going to put a small pot there. Okay.
Yeah. And then I put the water.
Water. All right. The water go in first. So the water go in first.
And then the
Soya sauce. Remember, it's light soya sauce,
Yeah.
not dark. Okay. All right.
Just dissolve
To
the.
boil the water and the soya sauce. Okay. Boil them. Okay.
Okay, while boiling that one, bro.
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna use this one. This one.
Yes.
I put olive.
So while the mixture is boiling,
Yeah.
the chef's going to
Olive oil.
cover the fish with olive oil. Look at
Yeah.
that. Look at
For
that.
the-
Well, I must admit, it's a different style than what I do. Okay, it's different. All right.
Yeah. You know what? What is olive oil is?
Yes.
So to lighter the taste of the soy sauce.
Okay. That's good.
Yeah, and it smells, aroma.
Aroma. Okay. Beautiful.
Yeah.
So let's say he's painting the fish.
Yeah, okay. Filled with the soy sauce.
Alright, alright.
Olive oil.
Okay.
So it's finished, bro?
Yes. Okay.
Okay, wait, bro. And put that one here. It's already
All right.
finished.
Okay.
So I think it's boiling, bro. It's boiling.
All right. That's boiling.
Okay, I'm gonna
Off it.
Okay, I feel the soy.
All right. Now listen. Look a little. Go back a bit.
Yeah.
All right. Now look at that. 1, 2, 3. Listen to the sizzling sound.
Yeah, okay. Okay, bismillah. Okay, see? You
Ah.
can see the...
Yes.
Yeah, it looks like you cook the fish with the soy sauce.
That's right.
But not, that's it. You pour the sauce.
Yes.
Okay, bro. That's it?
That's it. Okay. Now you're adding the ginger
Yeah, ginger.
and then the onion leaf.
Yeah, put that one and onion leaf. It's like a flour in the fish, bro.
Okay.
Yeah. You know what?
Yes.
Filipino Chinese in the Philippines,
Yes.
they want fresh on the top
Aha.
of the steam.
Okay.
So I put this one for aroma only, bro.
That is the dry garlic.
Yeah, dry
Dry garlic.
See?
Okay.
Ah,
Oh yes.
I'm not using
Yeah.
dried chili, bro.
Not really chili.
I'm using this one for you.
Okay. All right. So let's cut it. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay. Do you want me to cut it for you? Oh, you cut your way.
You know what?
Yes. Yeah, I know what you. Okay.
You know how to cut this one, bro?
Oh yes, of course. Don't remove the seed. Penny the seeds.
But it's annoying to the...
Annoying. Okay.
Yeah.
So you give the seed. All right.
Yeah, just put that one, bro. Pin that one.
All right. Remove the seed.
Yeah.
Okay. Good.
Yeah, and then because we use the
Yeah.
like a strip one,
Right.
a slanting one.
Yes.
And so we use that one.
Yeah. Oh yes. Beautiful.
See?
Yes.
So-
Kareem doing good.
Yeah. Okay. And they have another one. I want more chili, bro. Because
Yes.
you love chili.
Oh, we all love chili, don't we? You? Not you.
I'm just put this one for you.
All right.
Yeah, you just said.
Well, I really appreciate Chef Abu Radhid for adding the chili. He's adding this chili especially for me. He knows I love spicy hot food. All right, appreciate that. Thank you.
Okay, bro. Okay. Yum.
Yum. Okay.
See? You can
Chef Abu Radhid.
Yes.
I have tried different type of steamed fish. And also I've tried, they make in different ways.
Yeah.
Right? Like now, in your way is, you put all this veggie on the top,
Yeah.
right? But I've seen they put the veggie with the soya sauce, they
Yeah.
heat it up. Okay, never mind. At the end of the day, it should be delicious. That's what I want.
Yeah.
And then, okay, I'm going to check now. Bismillah, I'll take this part
Yeah,
here.
just pull out in the sauce, bro. Everything.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
very
let me
nice, bro.
see. Let's look at that meat.
Yeah, it's perfect.
Perfect. This okay, this okay.
Perfect.
All
Oh,
right.
it's a perfect, bro.
Yeah. All right.
Perfect.
Now you can see the meat is white, it's cooked. Okay. Now I can't just eat like that. I need to add some sauce with it. Okay. A bit of sauce on top of it, and then maybe add some of my
just
chili,
put, chili, ginger.
yeah, ginger and everything. Okay. Of course, the best way to eat this is with white rice. But today we don't have white rice, so we're just going to eat the fish.
Yeah.
Okay. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. MashaAllah. Very good.
Yeah,
very good.
very healthy.
Very good. I tell you why. The meat is not overcooked
Yeah.
and not even undercooked. Perfectly cooked.
Yeah.
Alright, that took about 10 minutes to cook, steam it, right? Plus, he didn't add salt. Why? The soya sauce already had the salt and all that. And then when you mix with this ingredient, it gives a flavor. Beautiful flavor.
Yeah, that's what I
Beautiful
told you.
flavor. So that's why we don't need to overcook the fish, because when we overcook the fish, we lose all the vitamins and
Yeah, yeah.
So now we have retained it and it's good for the health. That's why we call it NED, N-E-D. Nutritious, easy and delicious. Abu Rashid, I really enjoyed it.
Yeah.
I'm going to take some home.
Yeah.
I'm going to make some hot rice. Or in this case, I'll be making jasmine rice, hot jasmine rice.
Yeah.
I'm gonna, okay brother. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Yes, okay, let's go. Well, there you have it. Beautiful fish, steamed fish, okay? I have a couple of fish episodes I've done before. You can see the episode number below this video. Alright. Abu Rashid,
Yeah.
Chef Abu Rashid, thank you so much for this. Beautiful.
My pleasure.
We want to try more of your cooking.
Oh,
Okay? We try
Inshallah,
more-
inshallah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Jazakallah khairan.
Yeah.
Okay. We'll see you next time. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.